Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I come across with some scholarship opportunities and I personally feel that these are the some opportunities which can help you. So those I am going to cover up in this video. Do stick with the video till the end. So coming to the very first scholarship, that is HDFC Bank Parivartan's ECSS program 2023-24. So it is an initiative of HDFC Bank that aims to support meritorious and needy students belonging to underprivileged section of society. HDFC Bank is India's leading banking and financial service provider, and it has introduced this scholarship as a part of its flagship program, that is ECSS. So if you are in graduation, post-graduation, even if you are in class from 1 to 12th, and even if you are doing the courses like ITI diploma, then also you can appear for this scholarship. So the list of all the programs is mentioned on the website. The link I am sharing in the description box. You can also have a look on that. Rather than that, अगर आप ये scholarship के लिए apply करना चाहते हो तो आपको 55% होने चाहिए in your 10th, 12th और graduation. आप जिस भी इसमें हो आपको 55% और more that percentage is required to apply for this scholarship. So the benefits with this scholarship you will get, it is up to rupees 75,000, and the list of documents is your passport size photograph, your previous year's mark sheet, identity proof, current year admission proof, your bank passbook, income proof. So all these documents are required. Here on the website also you can have a look. The list of documents is mentioned. Now how to apply for this scholarship? So here the overall process for application is mentioned. So you can just have a look on that process. You need to follow each and every point and you need to apply for this scholarship if you are fitting with the particular eligibility criteria. Coming to the second scholarship, that is Kotak Kanya Scholarship. So it is a collaborative CSR project of Kotak Mahindra Group companies and Kotak Education Foundation to promote education and livelihood among economically disadvantaged sections of society. So if we talk about the eligibility for this scholarship, so if you are a girl student, then you can apply for this scholarship. Rather than that, you must have 85 percentile or more marks in your class 12 and your family income should not be exceed than 6 lakhs rupees. So if we talk about the benefits of this scholarship, then the scholarship amount of rupees 1.5 lakh per year will be given to each selected scholar till completion of the professional graduation course or degree. And the scholarship amount under Kotak Kanya Scholarship 2023 should be utilized to cover academic expenses including tuition fees, hostel fees, internet, transportation, laptop, books and stationery. Documents required for this scholarship are mark sheet of previous qualifying examination, income proof of parents, then ITR, fee structure, then bona fide student certificate, college seat allocation document, college entrance examination scorecard, Aadhaar card, bank passbook, a passport size photograph, disability certificate. So if you want to apply for this scholarship, then here the process of application is mentioned. So you have to just follow this process and you need to apply for this scholarship. So the link I am sharing in the description box, do check with that. Now coming to the third scholarship, that is Ramakant Munjal Scholarship 2023. So it is an initiative by the Ramakant Munjal Foundation supported by Hero FinCorp that aims to support students pursuing finance related courses to get admission to reputed colleges and pursue their dream of promising career and a better life. So if we talk about the eligibility for this scholarship, so students pursuing first year of BBA, BFIA, BCom, Bachelor of Management, Integrated Program in Management, BA, then Bachelor's in Business Studies, Bachelor in Banking Insurance, Bachelor's in Accounting and Finance and BSc or any other finance related degree courses are eligible, and you should have more than 80% marks in your 10th and 12th examination, and your family income should not exceed more than 4 lakh rupees, and this scholarship is open for the Indian candidates only. So if we talk about the benefits, then you can get a scholarship ranging from 40,000 to 5 lakh per year, and it will be awarded to each scholar for a period of 3 years for completing their education. Now coming to the list of documents, so your mark sheet of class 10th and 12th, Aadhaar card of the applicant, then PAN card and Aadhaar card of the parents, income proof, bank account statement of applicant's parent, current year admission proof, college fee receipt, then your affidavit and passport size photograph. These all the documents are required. Here these documents are mentioned on the website also, you can check over here. And the process of application is already given on the website. You have to follow the points and you have to apply for the particular scholarship. So the last date for applying for all the 3 scholarship is 30 September. So the link I am sharing in the description box. You can check with all the 3 scholarships, and if you are fitting with the eligibility criteria, then you can consider those scholarships. So if you have any doubts, any queries in this, so you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.